In the rush of life, amid endless responsibilities, noise, and distractions, we keep moving, but often lose ourselves. We are not human beings having a spiritual experience. We are spiritual beings having a human experience. But what if peace was always within us, waiting to be awakened? On the divine and pious occasion of Vishwa Navkar Mahamantra Diwas, Mahavir Senior Model School came together not just as individuals but as one collective soul. The Navkar Mahamantra, a timeless chant beyond religion, beyond boundaries, a humble salutation to the highest spiritual souls. Through the sacred mantra, we bow to the Panch Parameshti, the enlightened ones, the liberated souls, the spiritual guides, the teachers of wisdom, and all those who walk the path of righteousness. Together, students, parents, teachers, and management chanted the Navkar Mantra 108 times, 108 chants from outer world to inner stillness, a feeling of oneness, of divinity. This day is not merely a celebration, it is a realization that peace is not something we seek outside, it begins within. With gratitude in our hearts, we thank every student, parent, teacher, and member of the MSMS family for being a part of this divine journey. Let peace begin within.